Hey guys, how are you guys doing today? I'm so excited that you guys are joining me on this video because today I'm going to be styling my hair with just one product from the brand African Pride. And let me go ahead and show it to you guys so you guys can see their new look because it's super beautiful. They did a new look on their whole line, their containers and stuff. So let me go ahead and show you what their new look looks like. So this is their new look. Right here, I'm gonna do a close-up so you guys can look at it. It has amazing, really pretty gold, and then the orange, and of course the African Pride logo. But this is their Bouncy Curls pudding, and I'm really excited about using this because this is a one and done. It has no sulfates, no mineral oil, no parabens, and no glutens. It is also moisture intense, and it contains shea and mango butter. For natural hair. You guys can use it as curly, wavy, any kind of texture hair. This is for you. As you guys can tell, I just got out of the shower, so I put my hair in this microfiber towel while I was doing my makeup. So I'm gonna go ahead and let it down, and then I'll show you guys how I style my hair. So my hair is towel dry, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a spray bottle, and then that way I can add water in case I need to saturate my hair. So one of the first things I'm going to do is I'm going to section my hair in two. So I'm going to part my hair like this, like if I was doing like a half ponytail. So I'm going to go ahead and grab my hair and put the top part in a bun. So this is going to be the area that I'm going to style first and add the product to first. So I'm going to go ahead and start applying the product to my hair. This smells amazing, guys. Like no joke, it smells really good. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like. And I've used it a couple of times already before I made this review because I wanted to try it out by myself before I came here and told you guys like, hey, this is an amazing product. No, I went ahead and tried it, and you guys can tell I have used a lot of it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab it a little bit and start applying it to my hair. I'm using this brush right here, and I'm going to be brushing my hair. I'm going to be brushing my hair to distribute the product, and then I'm going to scrunch. You guys hear that? You guys want to hear that because you want to make sure that your hair has the correct amount of moisture and product. So basically water and product. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on this side. I also want to mention that all the products are the same. It's just a new look. Just same product, same ingredients, same consistency, same formula, just a new look. Once you have applied product to the bottom part, you're going to let this loose and you're going to start doing the same thing you did at the bottom. So once you have applied the product all over your hair, and make sure you distribute it correctly. Make sure to always, when you apply the product, to scrunch because that does help your curls kind of bounce a little bit back. So that's something I love doing. Once you already have scrunched your hair, you either can start diffusing or you can air dry. What I like to do is I like to air dry for 10 minutes and then I diffuse until my hair is completely dry. And I know for a fact, because I have tried this product in the past, that it does not leave a cast. So I don't have to break the cast or anything like that. I just kind of grab my fingers and kind of create volume. So I'm going to go ahead and let my hair air dry for 10 minutes and diffuse until it's dry. And then I'm going to come back and show you guys my final results. So these are my final results. I got lots of definition, not much volume, but that's okay because I can always get it picked and just create the volume itself. I usually don't get much volume on the first day on a wash and go. I get it on my second or third day. So I'm okay with the way it looks right now because that means I can play with it throughout the week. And if I get a lot of volume on the first day, my hair won't hold up as much. I didn't get a cast because it is a cream product and it does not create a cast, but it has amazing hold. One thing I do want to mention is that if you style with this product, I do recommend for you to kind of refresh with it as well, because if you refresh with other products, it just kind of creates buildup. That's it for today, guys. Do not forget to like, and subscribe. And if you guys have tried the Bouncy Curls pudding by African Pride, please let me know how it went for you guys, because I'm pretty sure you guys loved it as much as I do. And do not forget to head to my Instagram and follow me, because I will be sharing with you guys how I styled and how I refreshed using the Bouncy Curls pudding by African Pride throughout the week. I will be showing you how you can refresh, how you guys can style your hair for any holidays or anything like that using the products. So that's it for today. Bye!